Which one are you? Heh. There are three types of people who laugh before the joke is finished. First, the nervous laugher. They don't actually understand the joke, but they're afraid it won't be funny, so they laugh first, strategically. Second, the anticipatory laugher. They already know the punchline because they were the one who told the joke yesterday. Now they're pretending to have just heard it. Third, the type who actually connects with the joke. Unfortunately, this type is the rarest. Which one are you? Heh.